Today I will be using the spiritual rifle. I bought it from the Trader's Zone for 210 gems, and today we're going to be seeing if it's worth it. So it's quality. Oh, I'll do that somewhere else so I don't stop. Its quality are single shots, X-ray vision, and healing. I tried it out in Sniper Forts before, and the healing is 1 HP per second. Oh, not second, like maybe 5 seconds. So it's all X-ray vision I like, so you can just see if anyone's around the corner. A bit like the Overseer, except not as powerful. So I watched a review by Hussein PP3D. It is a 2-shot headshot, 3-shot body shot. So that's pretty good, I think. I'd recommend people to use this because it is insanely powerful. If you are close enough, you can get 1 shot. And yeah, please enjoy the gameplay. I'm also planning to upgrade my Photon Sniper Rifle to level 62. But it's a rare weapon, so that's why I bought this one, because my Heavy Sniper Rifle was a level down. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.